Hi and welcome to the June Total Trader update. This update we're going to be running you through some exciting developments, including some new product releases and new features. Let's get started. Here the first main one we've released is the Web Trader. So this is the Total Trader Web Trader. This enables us to be able to trade from any computer as long as we've got a web browser. So it works with Firefox, it's Internet Explorer and Safari. Now with this, to be able to trade it, if you're an existing client, you can just have to go to web.totaltrader.com.au and you'll be presented with a login screen. Just insert your existing user ID and password and you'll be able to log straight in and see your account. So if you've got positions and you've got orders working in your main platform, you'll see exactly the same positions and orders working in your web platform. If you do not have a live account and you'd like to have a trial of the Web Trader, simply go to www.totaltrader.com.au and on the right hand side you'll see a box that asks you for your email address and your name, and just sign up there and that'll give you access to the simulation. The difference between the addresses is the Web Trader address for the simulation has a /sim on it. So you just need to go to web.totaltrader.com.au/sim. The next exciting one is Mobile Trader. So this is very similar to Web Trader but for a mobile device, and you can use your same login and password that you use for your main platform and also for your Web Trader. So you have 3 access points now, being web, mobile and your main platform being a desktop install that works on a PC computer. And the address for mobile is mobile.totaltrader.com.au, and if it's a simulation or a demo account, put a /sim on the end. As you can see from the screenshots here, this is Mobile Trader, the login screen, and just looking on an iPhone, some of the market prices and the main menu. And I'll show you here's another screenshot from Mobile Trader which shows you some of the major currency crosses in the charts, but you can trade all products from both the web and mobile. If you've got an order working in your main platform, you can log in. If you're out of the office, for example, you can log in on your mobile, amend that order, cancel the order, place, move it to market, or again, if you've got a position, you can change that there. So anything you do on any of the platforms will automatically reflect on all the others. Next we have here is some updates. Currently we've just released Canadian stocks and CFDs, so you'll see them on the platform. To be able to see which ones are available, you can simply go to your trading conditions in either the demo or live platform, and you'll be able to see CFD instrument list or stock list, and you'll be able to drop down there and see all the Canadian ones there. They're listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Another one we've launched here is the Hong Kong futures. This has been asked by many traders, and particularly the Hang Seng. So we've got the Hang Seng there, the mini Hang Seng. So you'll be able to log in there on your platform to be able to see the Hang Seng futures there to be able to trade them. And probably one of the biggest ones we've been asked for, and it's been a little while in development, but we've finally released it, is related orders. We've had related orders for non-DMA CFDs and foreign exchange, but we haven't had it for DMA CFDs, stocks and futures until now. And particularly for futures traders have been asking for this. So for example, you can go in and put an order to buy a mini S&P on stop. If done, being a related order, work a stop below that if you're filled. So it enables you to be able to work much safer trading. You do, in terms of the order types, it's still restricted to the exchange limits, but the related orders are worked by the computer. Next, we'll just quickly run through some current market updates, being the ASX top 200 shares and the S&P 500 out of America. As I mentioned in the May update, is that this Australian market has come out quite well from this bottom here. A couple of things which I noted last time was the momentum that it came out with had been definitely the strongest momentum we'd seen in almost a year, and we'd also crossed back above the volume line here, being this red being the average volume over 120 periods and the momentum of the volume. So since that update, the market has crept slightly higher, but we have had this green line turn back down, which is a consecutive 5-day trend. That concerns me a little bit, because usually a 5-day trend, if the main market moves pretty close to whichever direction this 5 days trend pointing. So while this is pointing down, I'm a little bit cautious. And if we have a look here in terms of from where we were in May, through May, in terms of days which we got above previous highs of the last month, it was only a few days there, and right now we're trading up again, making new highs comparative to the last month. The good sign though that we are seeing here is this volume. We can see the volume ticking out, which is showing us that the volume here, volume advance and decline ticking up, which is showing us that this move up is having some volume and some drive behind it, that is the positive sign. But at the moment, my concern is a little bit with this down here, with the green pointing down. But I think overall, look, it's looking positive. I'd like to see a clean break of these highs. Every time we've sort of broken, we've pulled back through. We've broken, we've pulled back through. So I'd just like to see a nice bit of a clean break on the upside with a bit of aggression, and I think definitely be favourable to the upside. Next, we'll look at the S&P 500 out of America. Now, this one last time we were a little concerned, but it seems to have recovered actually a little better since last time. Again, we've got the same problem here of the consecutive 5-day trend pointing down being this green one. And the same sort of thing when it's gone up here, it hasn't, what I would say, convincingly taken that old high yet. The momentum and the MACDs here are fairly neutral, so meaning it doesn't have the aggression in the markets. Overall, look, the trend is, the short to medium term trend is up. It doesn't, I'm not seeing the aggression I'd like to see when it takes a previous high, being a monthly high, something it is not taken with sort of the violence or aggression I'd like to usually see, but overall it's looking pretty good. Another thing here is our totaltrader.com.au website. We are consistently updating this website, and you'll see here on the news section, when you log into the website or go to the website, you'll see the news section. We do continually try to put up there information which our clients are finding valuable, including daily trade reports and any major market movements. So do check out totaltrader.com.au. We are on Twitter also, so you can follow us on Twitter by going to twitter.com/totaltrader, and there we'll put up some things like this, not that we don't usually post on the website, like what are the big movers of the day, any particular stocks. We run a scan at the end of the day and tell any stocks which have had volume spikes. That's it for the June update. We've run through a few things here, and if you do have any questions on any of this, do call us on 1300 368 316 or email us at info@totaltrader.com.au. And if you do want a trial of the web trader and a mobile trader, please go to the totaltrader.com.au, and you'll see there on the right hand side a box to be able to put in your name and email address, and that'll conveniently sign you up for a trial. If you do have any questions, suggestions, or anything to do with the platform or the website, please let us know. We do have some more exciting things coming, more around some trade ideas we are starting to post up on the website, but we'll be shooting an email out shortly to give you a bit more about those, so including around CFD strategies, foreign exchange trading strategies, and also options and ETO strategies. So if you do have any questions or if there's anything we can assist with, please don't hesitate to contact us.